This piece is the turret, letter O. It's a circular feature that has this bevel, this rounded edge on the bottom, and the slits around it. The best way to do this piece is with the tool called the Revolve Tool. So starting a new piece, I'm going to start a sketch on the XY plane. And I'm going to draw the straight lines and then add some dimensions. We're going to be doing a revolve, which is going to be making this. This is basically cut in half, and I'm going to put a curve here in a minute. And this is what it would look like as half of the half. And this center line here, this is going to be the center of the piece, and it's going to be revolved around. So I'm going to make it a center line. I'm going to click on it, and then up top, I'm going to choose center line. And that's going to change it to a center line. Now I can add dimensions and refer to the center line, and it will understand that that's a center line and make the dimensions diameters. So I want to go from here to here. The diameter of the whole piece is 2 inches, so I can put in 2 right here. And then on the bottom here, the lower diameter is 1 5/8, so I can add that in right there too. And it adds those in. The height of the entire shape is 7/8 of an inch, so I'll add that. And the height of the outside edge, it's halfway, so it's going to be, it's actually 3/8 for this top portion. Now I want to add an arc here for this portion here. And I want that arc to be coming out here, and then I want it to be coming down straight here. To make that happen, I want the center of my circle that this arc would be, you can see it previewed there, to be in line with the bottom of the shape. So I'll use the horizontal constraint, click on the center, and then go back to the origin, and that will line that up. Try that again. And that will then fully constrain the piece as well. So I can finish this sketch. And now as soon as I choose the Revolve tool, it will see that center line, and it will assume, oh, you want to revolve around the center line, which I do. So I can just press the check mark, and that part is then revolved. And now I just have to add the cuts that are in it. They're going to be 16th inch by 16th inch. So starting the sketch on the top, I will add a 16th inch, almost rectangle, almost square, but I'm going to use the curve do it. So I'm going to do 2 sides, add the dimensions, try that again. It's moving on me. Alright, I think the problem is it's not constrained to the top, so I'm going to use this constraint tool and make sure, coincident constraint, make sure it's on the top. Now when I change it, it should not run away on me. It's just going up there. So I'm going to drag that back down where it belongs. Set a dimension for this of 1/16. And I also want to set this to be centered, so I'm going to use the vertical constraint and click on that, and then click on the center to lock it in place. Moved it over here again because I need to use the other constraint. So I'm going to go back to the horizontal, center, center, and now I can add one more line. That will finish this off. Do an extrusion of that shape. Oops, try that again. Do an extrusion of that little piece there. It's going to be a cut all the way through. And finish up with a circular pattern. There are 8 of them around the axis. So I'll choose that. Choose my rotation axis and make 8 of them. And that is it.